GTR album done, comedians are not left out. We're going to show his support for Rough Guy. Inside, teach you to one or two things one of you about the show. Think you can work in a form of playing a way of comedy. How do you feel to be part of this show?
Then ang yasam pam. Ama video zone yung first time first day so I'm confident the way yakara ng maru meron yung maru siyam. Ama kung paano panyo mo support wag ba siya no support mga battle siyam mo.
So one or two inside maybe don't put you on we'll see that thing you can. Okay, so I to promise you come after one be somebody come I ain't no man share you know.
Ano to ko promise ba? Promise ni yaya.
Okay.
Tama mo tron kusita na sa. Awa kumejo to yin na kumejo ng pam. Awa temple la kumejo ng mabo pumpo. Mpitong pas ma show no nangbo.
So you be search are you going on social media?
Okay, ako no so.
No so.
Nagarayi.
Okay. So on social media platform I could search no so I want to get in with you. To pipe and your time share something.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh. God bless.
Thank you.
Like it to the tomb, because I'm born to have him. Come on, how?